Yes, it's the same thing I've been telling you people concerning the movement of actuality of Biafra. The same thing Simon Ekpa is doing. Now listen to this, our brother, and hear what he says concerning the same group of people that is tackling Simon Ekpa. Watch this video and see the truth for yourself. Thank you.
As it is now, I cannot trust anybody again in this Biafra apart from Simon Ekpa. No wonder why all of them are fighting him. The letter that has been circulating all over the internet is not even written by Mazen Dandekano. You people need to watch the thing I'm going to show you now, top secret, the conversation, how Aloy Ejimato, a man I so much at.